Today we will learn how to create EC2 Windows Instance or Windows VPS. So first of all, select your region through this and you should select your region first. There are lots of regions and you want to select the open region. Let's suppose I am choosing US. Okay, so I am choosing US Oregon. Okay, so now search EC2 and click EC2. Click here on the left side instances and click launch instances. Name your instance without any gap. Okay, scroll down and select Windows. Okay, I am going for this latest server with this latest server, and it's a free tier. Okay, you can see the free tier if you have a free tier eligible. Scroll down and here is your preferences, what type of CPU you want. I'm going with the free tier eligible, and now create key pair. Okay, so click here, create new key pair and name it, and just click create key pair and it's downloaded. Okay, you need the key pair for the password. Okay, so scroll down and always remember that the Windows instance must be a minimum range of the storage is 30. Okay, you didn't minimize from the 30 GB. So I'm going with the 30 GB because I am using the free tier, and click launch instance. It's great, my instance is now ready and loading. Okay, click here instances, types, and now instances. Refresh your page and it will be shown. So my instance is in the pending. After a few minutes it will be available. Okay, now it's in the running stage, but it is analyzing, so that's why I want to wait, and then when it's okay and ready, so I will crack the password and open the instance. After the wait of few minutes, my instance is ready. So to view your instance password, click your instance and now click connect and click RDP client. Okay, first of all download your remote desktop file and now click get password and upload the private key, the key pair we had downloaded during my instance creation. Okay, so it's in the download folder. Yes, it's now click on password. Okay, my password is here, so copy your password and always remember it. My username is administrator. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so you will see more videos regarding the cloud computing. Thank you so much.